It is a beautiful day here in Thiensville. My name is Will, here with Modern Exterior, here to talk to you a little bit about the benefits of drone technology in roof inspections. This particular model that I have here, it's really small, actually fits in the palm of my hand. The most important benefit, which is safety, doesn't require getting on and off a roof, doesn't require the use of a ladder. You're simply standing on the ground, analyzing the roof. Secondly will be the access. So if a roof is not walkable based on the conditions of the decking or something of that nature, or if there's some really steep pitches or some areas that you just simply can't see based on the design of the roof, then here's another case where the drone would be very beneficial for you. It also makes you more efficient and requires less equipment like big long ladders and the use of other people. Those would be some of the benefits of drone technology in roof inspections.